welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a makeup look on this Glowy AF eyes, highlights, shit popping, okay? So I am going to show you girls in the video, of course, how I got the glowy look, but I did want to introduce some new products, of course. This is a black owned company and she is also a YouTuber. Her name is PRETTYBRE on Instagram and her company name is called Melanin Vibezz. So she came out with a loose pigmented highlighter and then she also came out with a bronzy, what's it called? Spray. Setting spray. She also has body oil and a prep and prime spray that's clear. Now, this spray smell bomb and shit. Like, I was so impressed. Like, I did not expect it to smell like anything. I was expecting like a Fix Plus, you know, any other facial spray, but this shit smells like rose petals or like straight out of Florida. She is from Florida. But it smells so freaking good and it's no joke. This spray is like no joke. Like, it is like pigmenting. Like, you spray, you won't shine. Like, that's crazy. Now, this highlighter, I really underestimated this highlighter when I seen it. Like, when she swatched it on like YouTube and Instagram and stuff, like, I was not expecting it to look as good as it looked. But girl, like, this is I don't know if Jackie Aina may have a run for her money, but this shit is like bomb as fuck. Like, it's like a bronzy, but then it has like a rose gold like flexes in it, and that's what makes it so freaking like. You have to pick this up. This is, I think both of these are like $9.50 a piece. Like, black owned company, and she's a YouTuber, and she's a makeup artist, so she know what she doing. Like, it ain't like she just came out with some highlights and spray just because it's fun and, you know, she can make a quick change. Like, she know what she's doing. She also used these on her clients, so I respected it and I trust that more than anything. Also, I did pick up the new Ruby Kisses, the new Black Radiance highlighters. This is in light to medium, and this is in medium. And both of these retail for like $3.47 at Walmart, so I had to pick these up. And I love the way they look under the eye, the chin and the forehead. Like, it really looks good. Yes, this is my Glowy AF makeup look, and I hope you girls enjoy it. And if you have any suggestions, just leave them down below in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're starting with the Inferno palette by Bad Habit, and we'll pick up the color Hot Spot first. We're putting this in our transition color to get this look started, okay? Next, we're going with the NYX Blush in Cinnamon, just to add a little orange that the color Hot Spot wasn't giving me. Next, we're going to go into Bonfire from the same Inferno palette. And lastly, we're going to go into the color Smolder, just to deepen up that crease. As you can see, the color really wasn't working. It really wasn't showing up. But I did try to make it work as much as possible. Next, the Melanin Vibezz Loose Pigment. And I'm applying that all over my lid. This was applied with no wetness to the brush. This is straight from the jar. Next, I'm using my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in Mocha. And I'm also adding a little bit of that pigment to the foundation so that when I blend it, it will give me a glowy AF look. Next, the Black Radiance HD Concealer and medium to deep and medium applied to the high points of my face, under my eyes, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm blending that out with my original beauty blender. And I'm also going to blend out the edges with my foundation brush. I'm going to set this with the Milani translucent powder and 02, which is medium to deep, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. sponge, which works really good. Next, I'm using a Fit Me loose powder in Deep to set my entire face. Then I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer next. After that, I'm going to use my NYX Blush in Cinnamon. I'm also going to use the Melanin Vibezz Loose Pigment to highlight. I'm using my Wet n Wild lip liner in dark brown, which is my all-time fave. I'm using a little bit of concealer. This is the Fit Me concealer in Caramel. And then I'm using my Hard Candy gloss. And then I'm using my e.l.f. times Alissa Ashley gloss on top. I'm adding my Cosmania lashes in High Drama. These are so cute and so sexy and so flirty. And that is all for my look. I hope you girls enjoy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.